3 reasons Jobber could be the best CRM for your landscaping business. Are you a landscaping business owner looking for the ultimate CRM solution? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the top 3 reasons why Jobber might just be the perfect CRM solution for your landscaping business. From seamless scheduling to efficient client management. By the end of this video, you'll discover how Jobber can help you streamline your operations and grow your business. If you don't know who I am or what we do, I'm Kurt from One Base Media, and we've helped hundreds of tradespeople get better quality leads, fill up their diary and grow their business with more profitable jobs. Right then, let's take a look at Jobber. Reason number 1, efficient scheduling and job tracking. As a landscaping business, managing appointments and schedules can be a real challenge. But Jobber's intuitive dashboard allows you to effortlessly schedule appointments, assign tasks to your team, and even set up recurring services. It can save you a lot of time and help you keep on top of your tasks. It's useful to have all of these features in one place rather than having to jump between apps and documents just to get a grasp of your day-to-day operations. For instance, consider a scenario where you have multiple landscaping projects scheduled for a particular week. With Jobber, you can assign each service to a specific team member, along with the date, time, and job site location. Let's say a repeat client requests a service on a day that's already fully booked. Well, Jobber's job tracking feature allows you to easily rearrange schedules, ensuring that no client is left out and no job is missed. And whether you're in the field or at the office, Jobber's mobile app keeps you connected. You can access your schedule, track job progress, and communicate with your team on the go. Reason number 2, client management. Building strong relationships with your clients is key to any successful business. With Jobber, you can keep track of client preferences, service history, and even send out automated reminders, ensuring that you never miss a beat and your clients keep coming back for more. In addition to tracking client preferences and service history, Jobber also provides an integrated invoicing and payment system. This helps streamline your financial transactions, making it easier to send invoices, track payments, and manage your business's overall financial health. With Jobber, you can send professional looking invoices with just a few clicks, and clients can pay directly within the platform. Reason number 3, business growth. Jobber's powerful tools don't just stop at scheduling and client management. It provides you with insightful reports and analytics that give you a clear overview of your business performance. This valuable information empowers you to make informed decisions and strategize for future growth. For instance, imagine you're a landscaper and you have multiple teams working across different sites. With Jobber, you can easily monitor which jobs are in progress, which ones are completed, and which ones are booked in for the future. You can also quickly evaluate profitability by job, customer, or team. Let's say one of your teams finished a job early. With Jobber's easy-to-use interface, you can quickly find another nearby job for them to tackle, maximising productivity and your bottom line. It also allows you to drill down into costs, revenues, and profitability for each job, providing you with the insights you need to price your services accurately and competitively in the future. These analytic capabilities can be the key to unlocking consistent, sustainable growth for your landscaping business. And there you have it, 3 compelling reasons why Jobber could be the best CRM for your landscaping business. From streamlining your scheduling to enhancing client relationships and fostering business growth, Jobber could be just what you need to take your landscaping business to the next level. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you got a lot out of the video. So our goal here is to help you generate the best quality leads so you can fill out your diary with more customers and grow your business. And that's it from me. And by the way, if lead generation is a problem for you right now, then there's a link in the description that will help. Don't feel obliged to click it. As long as you got value from this video, that's all that matters. But the link is there if you do need it. There's no pressure to buy anything or put in your email, so we're not going to relentlessly spam your inbox for months. It's just a helpful video that will solve your lead generation problem in under 3 minutes. I want to say a big thank you again for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, please like and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section telling us what you like about Jobber or which CRM you prefer and why. We read and respond to all the comments we get. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.